friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a video of hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.